They cannot bend, they can bend without breaking. वो बिना breaking के bend हो सकते हैं. They are flexible and they are wet also, and they protect the fish in water. They help the easy movement also. Clear? उनकी easy movement में भी उनकी help करते हैं. And they are overlapped means एक दूसरे के ऊपर वो overlapped होते हैं, wet होते हैं, थोड़े वो moisture होती है उनमें और slimy होते हैं. They help in the easy movement of fish. So body covering is like this. Okay, if we are talking about the next, it is about the reptiles. What kind of body covering is there in case of reptiles? First of all, you should know the names of a few reptiles. Snakes, crocodiles, lizards, they are the reptiles. Scales. Okay, इनकी body पे भी scales होते हैं, but their body covering is like this. Very hard skin is there. Their skin is dry. They are having, some of them are having horny scales on the body, which prevent the water loss. क्योंकि some of them they live in the desert also. कुछ lizards desert में भी रहते हैं. This type of body helps to, this type of body covering helps to protect the water loss. कैसी scales होती हैं? Horny scales. Okay, थोड़ी सी ऊपर उनकी projection होती है scales. Like you are looking in case of crocodiles, देखी होगी, garden lizard देखी है ना, उसकी body पे भी जो covering है, उसके scales हैं, they look like this. If you are talking about the snake, okay, तो snake की भी scales होते हैं like this. Easily देखो, look at the this type of scales, they help the body of the snake, help the body of the snake to move. So snakes, crocodiles, fish, lizards, their body is covered by the scales, and this helps to cover the body, protects the loss of water. Water loss को भी protect करते हैं, and they help in the movement. So it depends on the habitat कि what type of body covering do we have. Okay. Now next is, what is molting? Molting word आपने पहले सुना हुआ है. What is molting? It is the shedding of old skin periodically to replace it with a new one. Clear? जो आपकी बॉडी है उसकी स्किन उतर जाती है, पुरानी स्किन उतर जाती है और उसकी जगह पे नई स्किन आ जाती है. Like in case of snake, like you can see, it is removing the old skin, और जो न्यू स्किन है ऑलरेडी नीचे ग्रो करना स्टार्ट हो चुकी होती है, और आफ्टर सम मंथ्स it will again shed the old skin and new skin will grow. This shedding of skin, this shedding of old skin is called molting. Clear? You can see some of the animals, they shed their old skin. This happens in case of cockroaches also. Cockroaches की भी molting होती है, उसकी भी old skin है, it lose, then after that new skin grows. So what is molting? It is the shedding of old skin periodically, means after fixed intervals of time, to replace it with the new one. Automatically new skin grows. Okay. Now next we will talk about the shells. Some of the animals, their body is covered with hard shell. You can write a name or you can write the name of a few animals where shell is present on their back. Write it. Yes, snail. Okay. Snail is there and turtle is there, tortoise is there. Their body is covered with the shell. Shell protects the body from external danger. एक्सटर्नल डेंजर से वो बॉडी को कवर करता है. व्हेन दे फाइंड सम एनिमी इज देयर नियर बाय, उनके पास कोई एनिमी आ रहा है, उनको कोई डेंजर है, जब वो ऐसा फील करते हैं दे पुट देयर बॉडी ऑल्दो इज वेरी डेलिकेट. जो उनके फीट हैं, उनकी नेक है, हेड है, एब्डोमेन, दे आर वेरी डेलिकेट but they are protected by hard shell. This is one special adaptation which help it to survive. Okay? तो उनको alive रखने के लिए उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर hard shell होता है. When it finds some danger is there, तो it protects inside the shell. Gets protected inside the shell. वो अपने आप को shell के अंदर रख लेता है, बॉडी को कवर हो जाता है. शेल इज सो हार्ड, नो एनिमी कैन ब्रेक इट और स्वेलो इट. क्लियर? इट्स वेरी हार्ड, इट्स मेड अप ऑफ कैल्शियम. सो सम ऑफ द एनिमल्स देयर बॉडी is covered with the shells like tortoise, snail, turtle. And next, feathers. Okay, right, where do we find the feathers? Animals where feathers are present, write it. Yes, birds. Body of birds is covered with feathers. इनकी जो birds हैं उनकी body किसके साथ covered होती है? Feathers. Okay, and one more function of feathers, it helps them to fly. Okay, sparrows, crows, they have wings to fly. Full body is covered with the feathers. Wings are there to fly. Okay, protect them from cold and rain also. Like in the cold, we wear the thick clothes, but they don't have to wear the clothes. Their body is automatically covered by the feathers. Feathers protect them from extreme cold and rain also. Okay, they are waterproof. Then they don't get wet in the water also. वो तब भी dry रहते हैं. They help them to fly. Very good. You are writing a few animals which have wings but they cannot fly because their body is heavy. Okay, वो heavy होते हैं, भारी होते हैं, तो वो उड़ नहीं पाते. बट दे आर हैविंग फेदर्स. उनकी जो 4 आर्म्स होती हैं, आगे वाले बाजू होते हैं, दे आर इन द फॉर्म ऑफ विंग्स. ओके, उन्होंने अपने आप को मॉडिफाई किया होता है, अपने आप को उन्होंने चेंज किया होता है. दे आर मॉडिफाइड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ विंग्स. सो विंग्स or feathers, they help the birds to fly and they protect them from cold and rain also. Okay, they are attached with strong muscles. They flap the wings and it helps them to fly. Next, fur and wool. Fur and wool helps in the extreme cold conditions. Okay, when it's extreme cold, बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड होती है, तो the animals which live in extreme cold conditions, can you write the name of a few animals which live in extreme cold conditions? They live in polar regions, Antarctica.
Ma'am, polar bear.
Polar bear, but you have to keep yourself mute. Okay, write it in the chat box. Polar bear is there, penguins are there. Okay, so they have their body is covered with fur and wool. In case of sheep and goat, sheep और goat की जो body है, it is covered with wool. Okay, उनके hair होती है, hair we get the wool from the hair of goat and sheep, or we can say their body is covered with wool. Okay, sweaters बनाते ना हम wool के, we get that from sheep and goat. And bear, in case of bear, the body of the bear is covered by the fur. Okay, so thick layer of fur is there on the body of bear, and this helps them to protect them in the extreme cold conditions. जब बहुत ज़्यादा snowfall होता है, माइनस में टेम्परेचर होता है, तब भी बियर को ठंड नहीं लगती, because two things are there. One is that the body is covered with fur, and second, thick layer of fat is present under the skin. Okay, it also protects the bear from the extreme cold conditions. Very good. Manraj has written some more animals which live in polar regions: seal, walrus, penguin, arctic fox. Okay, very good. इन सब में क्या होती है? थिक लेयर ऑफ फैट. वॉलरस में, सी फिश में, दे कैन लिव इन बहुत ठंडे वाटर में, बहुत एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड वाटर में वो रह सकते हैं. ओके, so they have some adaptations. So their body covering is different. Body covering helps to protect them in their habitat. So this is the special adaptation of these animals. Their body, some of the animals, they are having bodies which are covered with the scales. Some of the animals, their body is covered by the fur. Some of the animals, they are having shell to protect themselves. So body covering is also there to help the animals to live successfully in the environment. Okay, so this is adaptation. Adaptation means special features which help us to live in our habitat. So these type of adaptations, ऐसी adaptations हैं, they are passed from generation to generation. एक generation से दूसरी generation तक pass होती हैं, and they are there, they take place after millions of years. ये special features एक दिन में नहीं हमारे में आते, it takes millions years. Okay, to be the permanent part of our life. So जो हम adaptations हमारे में होती हैं, they are passed from generation to generation. Now if any query is there, तो you can ask me